Perfect. Get it flat there and then pull it towards you.
That's what I can't figure out how to do.
I think the hand that you have, this hand.
Which way?
Try a couple ways. Oh, well, you're lifting yourself up.
Woo!
Lower it. Now, you want to be able to slide it towards you somehow.
Okay, hang on.
It must be another direction that pulls it towards you. Drop the bucket a little. Flatter.
Now, how do I bring it forward, do you think?
I think you have to get the bucket tilted different and have it just collapse closer to it when you... Yeah, now fix the bucket now. Fix the bucket. Not the arm, the bucket.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
The bucket's the hand.
Wait, did you say fix? I don't know what you mean.
Stick it out, the hand now.
Ow.
The hand.
I'm working on it.
Just the hand. No,
Oh,
the bucket, just the bucket. Yeah, perfect. Now you can scoop it up. You want to keep that level with the
how do I
ground.
pull it back?
You lift up and tilt and move it all at the same time.
What?
Your hands. Yes, perfect. Now tilt your bucket down a little. Tilt your bucket down a little. Bucket.
I'm trying. Bucket.
There you go. Oh, there's one that just works the bucket. You did it just a little bit ago. There, that's the one. Keep that flat on the ground. Now scoop that up. Yes, keep going.
Now what do I do?
Lift it all up together. Yep, that's far enough, a little far, but you're holding it. Okay, now let it drop. Now let it drop. Oh, go forward, yeah, go forward. Do one forward and one backwards. Good job, Cristin. Ah, you lost your rock. You're eliminated. Game over.
Game over.
No, you can still go.
That's fun.
It is, huh?